How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to play Fortnite on your mobile phone in 2024. So this actually includes both methods for the Android devices or a Samsung phone, as well as iOS devices like iPhones and iPads. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So back in the day, if you guys want to play Fortnite on your mobile devices, you would have to use something like an emulator to actually run the game on your phones. Now, this is actually tedious because you'd have to input and set up the commands to actually play the game. However, in this year, I'm happy to say that Epic Games has fully ported the game into the Android and iOS platforms. So I'll be teaching you each method depending on what phone you guys are using. So to actually do this is quite simple. If you guys are using something like a Samsung device, there are two ways to actually get access to Fortnite. So the first way is with your Android device. So what you guys would need to do is you want to head over to this website right here. So that's fortnite.com/mobile/Android. So you want to do this on your phone. It could be any browser really. It doesn't really matter. But basically when you get to this page right here in the mobile platform, you want to click on download now and simply install the game. And that's how you get to play it. And the nice thing about this is because it's a proper port from PC to your Android device, all of the fundamental commands are built in. So the move forward command, left and right, jump, shoot, aim, whatever, all of them are there. So it's pretty simple. Now the second way is by visiting the Galaxy Store on a Samsung device. So this one shouldn't really matter. Either way is fine, Android or Samsung. So if you guys are using something like an A20 Samsung or an S20, whatever, um, the Galaxy Store actually comes stock with every purchase of a Samsung phone. So you guys want to go here. You want to either open the Galaxy Store and just type in Fortnite in the search bar. Simply find it and install it, and that's it. Or alternatively, you can go to this site right here. It's fortnite.com/Samsung or /mobile/slash Samsung and simply download from here. Now, as for the iOS one, there's really only one way, and that's through Amazon Luna. So this is the only feasible way and compatible way to actually play Fortnite on your Android. So to show you guys what I mean, how to play Fortnite on Amazon Luna. So with Amazon Luna, you can play Fortnite through cloud streaming on Windows PC, Mac OS, iOS Safari browser, Android phones, Chromebook, and so much more. So this is the only feasible way to actually play Fortnite using a streaming service on your iOS, as there actually isn't a native way to play Fortnite on your iPhones, as I don't think it's actually available in the App Store. So this is the method that you guys should opt for. So yeah, there you guys have it. That's how you play Fortnite on your mobile devices. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.